I've prepared a new course of several hours in which you will learn step by step, from simple to difficult, how to make nails design using different materials to decorate, and I will show you how to perform the mirror effect, the sugar effect, and other techniques. The course includes a variety of information to help you keep up with nail art news. At this course are welcome both beginners and advanced. The necessary ingredients are only the passion and the desire to learn. I will present and I will explain in detail the materials we will decorate with, but also all the necessary steps to complete the nail design. After participating in this course, you will be able, depending on the talent and skill of each one, to create special nail designs to develop and improve your skills. Thank you for your time, and I hope this course will help you and satisfy all your curiosities. Have a great day!